So today we're talking about this little zipper pouch, which I call my emergency pouch. It's full of all sorts of different little bits and pieces that can get you out of a jam when you're on set. So let's break it open, see what's inside. First, we got this little, it's got quarter 20 and a shoe mount on top. And then similar, I don't love these for like permanent mounting, but they can come in really handy in a pinch. Then we got 3 of these little thread adapters, 3/8/16, quarter 20. What else is in here? We got spigot. You can always use a spigot. You can start to see how some of these items play together pretty nicely. This is all about like, you're building a rig and you have to add a part at the last second that you didn't exactly plan for, or you get on set and you want to try something new, but you didn't bring everything with you. This is some stuff to get you out of a jam. So we got, the kids call an aux cable, 3.5 to 3.5. We got a 1/4 inch input out to mini jack. Gear tie. You can always have a spare gear tie. Other thing you can always have spares of, always can have a spare sprig. Then we got tripod plate screw, quarter 20. So those always seem to go missing when you least expect it. And then you've got another little thread adapter. And finally got a spare SD card in a hard case. Have snapped an SD card in the past, and so that's why that's always with me now. But there you go, there you have it. That's the emergency kit. A couple of little things that I like to keep with me on set.
All right, Drew, do your magic.